Hello, I will make now a short video about this Gamemax 120 mm that should be mentioned because unlike several other type of fans, this one it's quite unique, I might say. I'll show it to you. It's also very inexpensive. It cost me around 1000 krona, which in Iceland it's the most cheapest 120 mm fan. So this is how it looks like, the fan, and its unique feature that is connected a Molex to the 3-pin connector, which is extremely handy. If, for example, you will not have enough space or enough pins in the motherboard that you can connect to your fan, then you can connect this Molex to your PSU. It's extremely handy. And another great feature, if you look it over here, this one, it's a rubber, or it feels, actually it feels like a sponge. I don't know, but it's very soft, so it reduces dramatically the vibration of the fan. It looks like a ordinary fan, but for its price I think it's worth it. And of course you have the mountain screws, which they are also black. Alright, thank you for watching, and I wish a wonderful day.